This is a BHSD228 Tech tutorial. The purpose of this tutorial is to show teachers the best settings to use when they are sharing documents with their students in Google Classroom. In the wide world of sharing, enter if you dare. So, you may have noticed that some students have a variety of issues that are difficult to work out at the beginning of the year. They've not updated their iPad all summer, or are using their personal email, or they've let their cousin use their email on their iPad this one time. All of these problems can lead to a doc not being able to be opened if you're restricted to BHSD228 only. So, in this presentation, we're going to tell you what to do in the next couple of slides to make it easier for students to access files in their Google Classroom. Your first step is to change the BHSD228 to anyone with the link. Your doc is still not going to go willy-nilly to the worldwide internet. It's still going to stay within the net of only the people that have the link. When you get this set to anyone with the link, press Done. Now note, teachers, that you need to share the link with the students so that they can only view your doc, not anything else, or you might have a real mess on your hand. These are the settings that are going to make our BHSD228 students successful in receiving shared documents or videos from you. Once you get the link settled, press Done and then copy and paste the link to your Google Classroom. Your students will be much happier because they'll be able to access the link and bring their assignment into Notability. Now, make sure to check out our Tech PD tutorial playlist we have created for you and your students on Notability. Thanks for watching.